Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Fixer Upper, finishes at 12 inches. Here's the diagram, and it's sort of a log cabin-like way to piece these. You have 4 log cabin units, I'll call them, in the block. They're not all exactly the same, but that's what it is. And here are 4 blocks set block to block. This is also from the Stitch Pink 2020 quilt from Moda, and there will be a link to their pattern here. Here are all the cutting instructions, and I didn't put any AccuQuilt cutting pieces because there is really only one, and it's the 2-inch finished square. Everything else, I don't think there is. I couldn't find, for most of them at least, I couldn't find AccuQuilt equivalent dies. But all of them, except for the square, are cut at 1.5 inches, and then you just subcut them into the smaller sizes that you need. There are 5 different fabrics in this block. There's a background, then 2 lights, a medium, and a dark, I'll call them. And all of the cutting instructions are here for each one. The best way I found to piece this block is to put all of your patches in ABC order. So this is A, B, C, D, E, and F. And then lay the block out, or you can lay one quadrant out. If we start with this one here, just look at this one and lay it out and then piece it log cabin style. And I'll show you how that goes. So we have dark A and dark B. This over here, piece it. Okay, then C and D. And E goes here. Once you have this laid out, you can just start piecing, and you start in the center. So these 2 match, and you would sew this to that. And then the next one would go like that. Because you see that the sizes will always fit, and that will tell you which one goes where. And you just go around in a circle. And then your one unit will look something like this. And this is the first unit done. And go through and do it for the remaining 3 units. Then we'll put them together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.